As a content creator, I'm always looking for the latest technology to share, and recently I've had the opportunity to test out the Celero 5G smartphone, exclusive to Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. First of all, let's talk about the design. The Celero 5G has a sleek, modern look with curved edges and a slim profile. Its generous screen will make it stand out from other phones. Moving on to the features that really make the Celero 5G a game changer is the display. Its stunning 7-inch display has 1080 crystal clear resolution, perfect for watching videos, scrolling through photos, and engaging on social media. The audio quality matches the visuals and adds sound that enhances your media experience. Under the hood, this device doesn't disappoint either. We're talking serious performance with a robust processor that can match my busiest days. The battery life is also phenomenal, with almost 9 hours more, meaning I can snap, post, and stream without constantly reaching for the charger. And of course, I can't forget to mention the camera. For a creator like myself, the camera is our bread and butter, and the Celero 5G comes equipped with 3 powerful lenses that capture moments beautifully. So if you're in need of a new phone or looking to upgrade your current one, I highly recommend checking out the Celero 5G at your local Boost Mobile store or online at boostmobile.com. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with this powerful and versatile device.